Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix settings restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me show you here on TikTok when I'm trying to send a video from a gallery on TikTok. So guys, you'll see here there are instructions. So to fix this, what you have to do is just simply go back, then tap on profile, then tap on three lines here, then tap on settings, and then tap on privacy. And here you can see if this toggle is on, then what you have to do is just simply turn it off. And then what you have to do is just simply tap this and turn this toggle also off. Add personalization, and again this toggle you have to turn it off. And let me show you here, you have to select these. So now let me show you if it's restricted on TikTok or not. So let me show you here. You can see here it's fixed now. So that's it guys for today's video. The video is helpful. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.